In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a YouTube video straight to your phone's gallery. Let's get started. This guide works for both Android and iOS, so no worries about your device. First, head to your device's App Store, Google Play, or the App Store, search for YouTube, and ensure the app is up to date with the latest version. Once that's done, open up the YouTube app. Now, find the video you want to save. You can either pick one from the homepage or search for it using the search bar. I'm going to choose this one. Next, tap on the download icon. Choose the video quality you prefer, then tap download again. After the download finishes, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen and select Downloads. This lets you watch the video without needing an internet connection. If you want to download it directly into your phone's gallery, tap on your profile again and choose My Videos. Select the video you want to save. Then tap on the three dots next to the video, and from the menu that appears, select Save to Device. Your video will now be stored in your gallery. And that's it, you successfully downloaded a YouTube video to your gallery. Hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching.